Welcome to episode 3 of Wild Nick, exploring Badlands National Park. Badlands National Park is known for rugged mountains, vast plains, and breathtaking views. The park was first declared a national monument in 1929, but in 1978 it gained the status of a national park. The rock formations were created by a mix of wind and water erosion, and the entire area used to be underwater. Temperatures in the park range from 115 degrees in the summer all the way to negative 40 degrees in the winter. In this episode, the Wild Nick crew took a journey to discover and learn about the many animal and plant species that can be found in the park. The first animal is the mountain goat. Mountain goats are about 3.5 feet tall with horns that grow up to 11 inches. They weigh 200 pounds on average. They can climb on rocky surfaces exceeding 60 degrees. Badlands National Park is the only place aside from the Rocky Mountains with mountain goats. Mountain goats are herbivores and spend most of their time grazing the plains in the park. In the wild, they live about 15 years. They fight within the herd for food or mates, and occasionally injure or kill each other. There are also instances of mountain goats injuring humans because the human was too close. Next is the American bison. This is the national mammal. They are 9 feet in length, 6 feet in height, and weigh up to 2,500 pounds. All bison have curved horns that are up to 2 feet long for fighting and defending the herd. The average lifespan of a bison in the wild is 15 years. They are usually very relaxed and slow-moving, but when provoked, can charge at 40 miles per hour. In the early 1900s, the American bison population was as low as 540 in the wild, but it has risen significantly since then, now totaling more than 31,000. There are over 1,000 bison in the Badlands, confined to 64,000 acres to prevent the spread of the disease brucellosis, which leads to infertility. Sometimes bison cause trouble for traffic and can hold people up when crossing the road. They are very large and can be extremely dangerous. Here are some magpie. Magpie are one of the smartest animals in the world. They can grow up to 18 inches with a 24-inch wingspan and can fly about 31 miles per hour in the air. Here is a pronghorn. Pronghorn measure about 5 feet long and just under 4 feet tall on average. They weigh about 100 pounds. They are the second fastest land animal at 55 miles per hour, just behind the cheetah. The population was down to 10,000 in the 1920s, but now is over 500,000. This is an opuntia, also known as prickly pear cactus. This is one of 3 cactus species found in the Badlands. They only need about 14 inches of rain per year. Each leaf is about 88% water, 10% carbohydrates, and 1% of both protein and fat. They are very common throughout the park. Here are prairie dogs. Prairie dogs are a rodent similar to a squirrel. They are up to 16 inches tall when standing up and weigh an average 3 pounds. They were first described by Meriwether Lewis as a barking squirrel for its unique bark. They are primarily herbivores, but eat insects and other bugs when necessary. In the winter, they eat snow so they can get some extra water. Prairie dogs live in colonies with upwards of 25 families spanning hundreds of acres per colony. Prairie dog burrows are up to 35 feet long and can be 10 feet below ground level. They elevate the dirt around the burrow to prevent flooding. Their bark is used as a warning for the rest of the colony to tell them that danger could be in the area. As you can see, Badlands National Park is a very diverse area of plant and animal species.